Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to claim the mortgage interest deduction on TurboTax in 2025. This is going to be a quick video, so let's just jump straight into it. Now, the first step is going to be to gather necessary documents. So you want to first off go ahead and collect your mortgage paperwork, including Form 1098 and any related receipts. So go ahead and gather that, and once you have them, the next step is going to be to log into TurboTax. So go on to TurboTax website and sign into your account using your email address and your password. And once you're signed in, you're just going to select the tax year that you want to claim the mortgage interest deductions for. Next step is going to be to choose deduction and then select mortgage interest as your deduction type. Next up is going to be you're going to enter your total mortgage interest paid as well as reported on the Form 1098. So go ahead and enter that into the space, and next up you're going to claim the mortgage interest deduction based on your qualified mortgage interest paid. Go ahead and claim it. And final step is going to be to review your mortgage interest deduction claim just to make sure that everything is accurate, and if it is, go ahead and submit it to the IRS and they're going to take care of the rest. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to claim the mortgage interest deduction on TurboTax in 2025. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.